So if you've been experimenting with AI video tools and still feel like something is missing, control, consistency, or that real cinematic look, this video is for you. Today I'm testing Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing AI video platforms right now. It promises something most AI tools don't. Okay? From the very first frame to a finished video. In this video, I'll show you how Higgsfield works, the AI models inside it, and how you can generate film like video shots step by step directly on the platform. Let's get into it. So what is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is an AI video creation platform built specifically for creators, filmmakers, and brands. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, image generators, video generators, audio tools, Higgsfield brings everything into one workflow. So inside a single platform, you get access to Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, 2.5, and their newest release, Cinema Studio. The goal is simple. If you can describe a scene, you can turn it into a cinematic shot. So why Higgsfield is different? Most AI video generators feel experimental. You prompt, you hope, and you fix things in editing. Higgsfield flips that approach. Deliberate framing, controlled camera movement, consistent characters, built-in audio and motion. This makes it one of the cheapest AI platforms relative to what it delivers. One of the most practical free AI video generator options to test cinematic workflows. Let me show you how this works inside Higgsfield. Step 1. You're choosing a model. You start by selecting a model based on your goal. High quality visuals, audio driven scenes, bold, culture native content, or full cinematic. This flexibility is key. Crafting a concept. You write a scene description, just like directing a film. Setting, lighting, mood, camera movement, audio keys. Higgsfield doesn't just generate visuals, it understands visual grammar. So again to Nano Banana Pro. Clean cinematic images. Nano Banana Pro is the image engine inside Higgsfield. What stands out here is true 1K, 2K, and 4K generation. Sharp, readable text, logos, UI, and packaging. Strong facial consistency across shots. Accurate diagrams, numbers, and layouts. This is crucial if you're creating ads, brand visuals, film storyboards, YouTube thumbnails, or commercial-grade AI visuals. Kling 2.6 audio and video with built-in sound. Now this is where things get interesting. Kling 2.6 audio generates visuals, voice, ambience, motion, all in one pass. That means no separate voiceover tools, no syncing audio later, no extra plugins. You prompt once and get a complete usable scene in 1080p with better motion fidelity and cleaner camera paths. So 2.5 bold culture ready video. 2.5 is built for creators who want fewer restrictions. It supports celebrities, stylized prompts, internet native language, lip sync, sound effects, and motion together. You can generate clips up to 10 seconds in multiple aspect ratios. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So Cinema Studio is Higgsfield's best innovation. It's an end-to-end filmmaking pipeline. Text to image, image to video, cinematic camera and lens profiles, film trained lighting and composition. Instead of random outputs, you get intentional shots, like working with a real camera on set. This is why Higgsfield truly feels like a digital film studio, not just an AI tool. So who is Higgsfield for? Higgsfield is ideal for content creators, filmmakers, advert creators, AI storytellers, brands and agencies. If you care about cinematic quality, consistency, and speed, this platform makes a lot of sense. So AI video generation is evolving fast, but tools like Higgsfield are pushing it from experimentation into real production. If you want to test it yourself, check the links in the description to explore Higgsfield and see how far AI filmmaking has come. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
where culture, technology, and vision meet. Discover stories, creativity, and inspiration from across the world. Welcome to McKitty Studios, Kanaya, where culture, technology, and vision meet. Discover stories, creativity, and inspiration from across the world.